If you need to reopen a closed PayPal account, follow these straightforward steps to guide you through the process. Ensure you have your account information ready before starting. Step 1. Visit the PayPal website. Go to the official PayPal website using your web browser. Make sure you are on the correct site to avoid phishing scams. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your email address and password associated with the closed account. If your account was permanently closed, you may need to contact customer support instead. Step 3. Follow account recovery prompts. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Contact customer support. If you cannot log in or if your account is not eligible for reopening, reach out to PayPal customer support. Use the help section on their website to find the appropriate contact method. Step 5. Confirm reopening. Once you have followed the necessary steps or spoken with customer support, check your email for confirmation that your account has been reopened. Log in to verify that everything is in order. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully reopen your closed PayPal account. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to PayPal for assistance.